Jesus called Satan the prince of this world. Paul called Satan the god of this world. Those are big words. That we are living in enemy-occupied territory. Now, this is too heavy for some Christians. I've said this at churches before. Some Christians get up and leave. They say, I can't handle it. I just want to hear about Jesus. Well, if you want to hear about Jesus, you got to know what is the consequence of not accepting Jesus, which is permanent rebellion, living in discord and disharmony. And so Jesus never questions that Satan can give momentary gain and pleasure here on earth. Here are three truths about Satan. Number one is that Satan is a liar. He is the master of deceit. Number two is that Satan is a thief. Is that Satan has never built anything. Let me say that again. Satan does not build. He only destroys and he infiltrates, he deconstructs, and he obliterates. Number three is that Satan, and this is the best news. You say there's good news about Satan. You better believe there's good news about Satan. Satan is limited. Satan is limited. Let me say that again. Satan is limited.